Exercise 9, Vibrance. I've opened the image and duplicated the layer. Now I'm going to go to my adjustments. And in adjustments, Photoshop CS5 brought out a new adjustment called Vibrance. Now before we only had saturation. Now if I saturate this image to make the colors more dramatic, you can see what happens. The blues become bluer, but the skin picks up a yellowy orange tone. Now what Adobe did is they brought in a Vibrance tool which does the same thing. It saturates the image, however it leaves the skin tones pretty much alone. So let's try the Vibrance now and watch the colors. See how my blues are becoming bluer, but my skin tones are barely being affected. And look how much more dramatic the image is now from the before and after. Very simple, and all these adjustments that you find in the adjustment tag are non-destructive. In other words, you can go to it and you can just dump it in the bin and it won't affect your image until you actually save it as a JPEG. Thank you and enjoy the Vibrance tool.